Good morning, my friends. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you are healthy and enjoying your time at home. If you're one of the essential workers, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you're doing, no matter what your job is, whether you're in medical or you're a first responder or you work at a fast food restaurant. We appreciate all you guys and everything you're doing to keep the whole world running right now. So anyway, all right, let's check it out. Today, Derek and I are going to do a really big home theater and full through house system. We are kind of on our own. I think Mercedes is going to join us, and possibly my wife Casey is going to come and assist. She does a lot of our financial stuff, so today she's going to be kind of helping us out in the field. Benny is off, and Cody's building screens and stuff like that. So fun. Let's go ahead and get the day started. Check it out. We're going to go ahead and try to get the products loaded up. It's been raining. I was going to load them all in the back of the pickup truck, but that's not going to work, obviously, because we can't get a bunch of water on the receivers and all that good stuff. So, all right, so here we are. We got the products for today. So looks like we got a couple of receivers here. This is for the through house stuff. Harmony remote, a couple of CS16s, Epson 3800. That's a really good projector. Check out our other review on that. We've got a 3800 versus 4050 video out there. We've got the two 8000F towers, 502L center channel. We're going to do an acoustically transparent screen. These are going to be two CS16s for the ceiling Atmos. Surrounds are all going to be CS. All right, let's go ahead and get this all loaded up, and then we're going to head to the job. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm heading out to Celina, Texas right now. We're going to be doing a pretty good install out here. 9 channels in the theater, acoustically transparent, big screen, like about 150 inch. Should be pretty nice. Through-house music system using MusicCast. MusicCast is like a Sonos alternative by Yamaha. Pretty nice system, works quite well. And then stay tuned, next week we're going to be vlogging throughout the whole week. We're talking about Derek and I are heading down to Austin, Texas with 2 of our technicians, Mercedes and Benny. And we're going to be doing 3 to 4 home theaters in the same week, back to back to back. We're getting an Airbnb, so it should be fun, do some cooking. We got a bunch of jobs going around here, and then we're in high demand out there in Austin, Texas. We've done a few jobs out there, and we keep getting referrals. So occasionally when we get enough guys together, we'll go out there and knock them out for those guys, keep them happy. I guess there's 3 or 4 installers in their area, but no one's satisfied with their quality of work, so there's only one way to do things, and that's the right way, and we're the right guys for the job. So I appreciate all you guys watching so far. I hope you're enjoying our channel. I hope you're enjoying our vlogs. I hope you're learning a few things. If you need anything from us, shoot us an email, shoot us a text, a call, and we'll be happy to help you out, even if it's just for advice. If you need products or anything like that, we do ship nationwide. We can hook you up on that. If we can't get you the best price, we will find the best price for you and shoot you an email on that. Whatever we can do to help. You see, my brother and I actually have a passion for what we do. This is not just a job for us. So we have fun with it every day, and I hope you have fun with us. We plan on doing some great things with this channel and giving away some pretty cool stuff. So stay tuned, ladies and gents. See you in a bit. Hey. I feel like I know you from somewhere. I could have sworn I've seen you somewhere. I don't know. Oh well.
guys, let's rock and roll. We got superstars here. We got Derek, the master technician, lead superhero of all AV. We've got Mercedes, the queen of programming and getting crap done. And we've got me, the unicorn. Sparse, but fantastic.
Alright guys, we're about 70% through the speaker installation aspect of it. Warren, I got the rears put in. He's working on the side right now. Side back left, back right are in. Side left actually. Side right's right there. Now the room is pre-wired for 5.1.2. So we left the overheads where they were, as you saw. And we're running new speakers for the surround level. Keep going.
Alright guys, so let me show you this little trick that we did here. Basically, we're going to run this wire underneath the carpet and then up under the baseboard because there's a slant up here and we can't access the header unless we were to do sheetrock patches. This will avoid all patches. So basically you drill down into the decking. We're going to fill this up with foam after. Drill down into the decking, and then from the inside we got a sheetrock knife in there. So we take this sheetrock blade right here, get that inside, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut out, there's basically sheetrock behind this, right, behind the baseboard. We're going to cut out a little piece of the sheetrock so we can slip the wire up through there. So I've just done that, sliding it through there. Then you can reach inside and grab the wire, pull it right up through just like that. And once we fill this with foam and then put the carpet back down, there will be absolutely nothing showing on the bottom of this baseboard. So it'll be as if it never happened. This plate here, you just put a blank face plate on it. That's your access hole, and always make it even with the outlet so it looks really clean in the end. Let's keep it going. Alright, so they're mounting the projector to the back slant over here. I'm going to tap in. Oh, they didn't even connect the two. Great. Okay, let's find the opening here.
How's it going?
You ran those wires up through the pipe here?
Oh, Nelly, that's not a stud.
Go ahead and go up through there if you want. Go ahead. Yeah, drill it up. Yeah, you're good. Good. How long is
Hey,
this?
ask her to feed it.
Hey, feed that HDMI cable, please. Feed me the HDMI cable and the speaker wire.
From the rack end.
From the rack.
Going into the smurf tube. Hey, yeah, just stop it. Just start.
Hold on, just cut the pipe right there. Here. A little further down. No, don't pull it.
Don't pull it. Push it.
No, don't pull.
Keep pushing. You're good. Push.
Push! You can do it!
Yeah, you got
I can see the head! Alright.
I don't think you need to cut it. She can keep pushing.
It's not coming all the way. Yeah. 1 second.
Going for a C-section. It's a boy!
It's really hard. Oh my god. That was really hard. I didn't realize what I was getting myself into there. Little Allen key thingy. I found it.
Well, one great thing about these mounts versus the other one is that you can turn the key up right to tighten it.
Alright guys, there is a very important find on this job by Derek and Mercedes. And I'm going to show you right now what it is. Ready for this? Alright, so this is their core water bottle here. And they have determined that it fits exactly on this shelf. Pretty impressive. Alright, in the room here, it's all looking good. Derek's working on his screen. Yep, he's getting his screen put in. Mercedes is programming. She already got the receiver put in over there. It's looking really good. Just got to get the screen all secured. Projectors up and on. Rear speakers, like you saw earlier, are in. It's all looking good. Alright guys, so that concludes our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed it. We made a huge amount of progress. Got tower speakers in. Look at that giant screen is up on the wall. All the speakers are in. Got projector already. We just got to kind of tap in that sensor up there. We got speakers in the game room. We got speakers in the family room. So it was awesome. We had a lot of fun. It went very well and we got a lot done. So we should be able to finish this project up tomorrow. And Derek is going to take over the vlog for tomorrow, so in the morning you'll be with him, and he's going to kind of go over the rest of the day and all the final details of the project itself. So
don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more, you guys. We got a lot of cool content, and we got some how-tos, and then we're going to be doing some giveaways in the future. So let's keep it going.
Boom, let's keep it going. Keep it going. Thanks a lot, guys. See you soon.